Hi, I'm Dr. Grant Lisetor. Did you know that sleep is just as important as diet and exercise for your health? In part 2 of our Healthy Daily Habits series, we'll discuss why getting adequate and consistent sleep is crucial for your body and your mind. Let's jump right in. Sleep is an essential component of a healthy lifestyle, but most people don't give their sleep a lot of thought. After all, if I'm tired, I can just get some coffee or drink an energy drink, right? Getting enough quality sleep each night is crucial for maintaining optimal physical, mental, and emotional health. Here's why sleep matters and how you can improve your sleep habits. 1. Enhances cognitive function. During sleep, your brain processes and consolidates information from the day, making it easier to learn, remember, and make decisions. Adequate sleep improves cognitive performance, enhances memory, and boosts creativity, helping you stay sharp and focused. 2. Supports physical health. Sleep plays a vital role in physical health by supporting growth and repair processes. During deep sleep, your body releases hormones that promote tissue growth and muscle repair, strengthening the immune system and regulate appetite. Consistent sleep can also reduce the risk of developing chronic conditions like heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. 3. Improves mood and emotional well-being. Have you ever heard the phrase, getting up on the wrong side of the bed? Well, there's a reason for it. Sleep affects your emotional regulation and mood stability. Lack of sleep can lead to irritability, increased stress, and mood swings. On the other hand, consistent sleep helps manage emotions, reduce anxiety, and enhance overall well-being. 4. Boost immune function. A good night's sleep strengthens your immune system, making it easier to fight off infections and illness. During sleep, your body produces cytokines, proteins that help combat inflammation and infection. Sleep deprivation can weaken your immune system, leaving you more vulnerable to illness. 5. Increased productivity and performance. Adequate sleep enhances productivity, reaction time, and performance in various activities, from work to exercise. It improves concentration and reduces the likelihood of errors, helping you perform at your best. Pharmaceutical sleep aids. While pharmaceutical sleep aids can be helpful for short-term relief from insomnia, they should be used with extreme caution. Many over-the-counter and prescription sleep medications can cause side effects such as daytime drowsiness, dizziness, and even dependence. It's important to use these aids under the direct guidance of a healthcare provider and explore natural sleep strategies first, like improving sleep hygiene and addressing lifestyle factors that may be contributing to sleep difficulties. I made an entire series on melatonin and would highly suggest you watch that before you decide to take it. How much sleep do you need? The amount of sleep needed varies from person to person, but most adults require 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Children, teenagers, and older adults may have different sleep needs. Tips for improving sleep quality. Stick to a sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, to regulate your body's internal clock. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Establish a calming pre-sleep routine such as reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath to signal your body that it's time to wind down. Optimize your sleep environment. Ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, cool. Invest in comfortable pillows and a good supportive mattress for good restful sleep. Limit exposure to screens. Reduce exposure to screens, phones, tablets, and computers at least an hour before bedtime, as the blue light emitted can interfere with your sleep cycle. Watch your diet and caffeine intake. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime, as they can disrupt your sleep. Getting adequate and consistent sleep is a cornerstone of good health. By prioritizing sleep, you can improve your cognitive function, boost your mood, and support your physical health. If you're looking for natural ways to improve your sleep, be sure to watch our video, 5 Ways to Naturally Improve Sleep. Thank you for joining me for the second part of our series, Top 5 Daily Tasks for Better Health. In our next video, we'll be discussing the importance of staying active, even if it's not going to the gym. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss it. And share this video with anyone looking to improve their health.